The WRC's first visit to Chile, featuring a ferocious fight to the finish in pursuit of points and prizes in the Wolf Power Stage end of rally shootout. Out of the blocks, a man on a mission, Jari Latvala scorching through the impressive BO stage, determined to go one better than Argentina, where he just missed out on the maximum, and a fraction over 8 minutes here. Teammate Chris Meek next into stage. Like Latvala, hungry for points, looking to make up after rolling during the rally. This was going to be close. Meek, though, slower by less than a second. Esa-Pekka Lappi, like many, struggling for confidence on these new stages, but on a storming run through, up on the splits, on course for a quickest time, and then a big slide. Into the top three, Sebastian Loeb in a thrilling battle with Sebastian Ogier for second place. The 9-time world champion rolling back the years, but also just shy of Latvala's benchmark time. On to the current champion, never totally comfortable with the C3 over the weekend, but never out of contention. And as so often, blasting through the power stage to become the first driver to go under 8 minutes. Only one man could beat him, Tänak. The rally victory already in the bag. Would he settle for the win or go all out for glory? A question we've asked before, and the answer the same. The Estonian eclipsing Ogier's time. Confirmation, Tänak more than a second faster to clinch a maximum 30-point haul from the weekend. Despite that, Sebastian Ogier extends his advantage at the top of the Wolf Power Stage leaderboard, now 4 points clear of Tänak, 21 versus 17. Meek and Thierry Neuville level on 15. Neuville, of course, missing out after a huge crash in Chile.